Space Internet, the global race for orbital broadband.
Space Internet, broadband delivered via low Earth orbit satellite constellations, has become a strategic necessity. Driven by falling launch costs, rising demand for universal connectivity, and geopolitical imperatives, the market is growing at 17% CAGR, from $8.09 billion 2025 to a projected $33.4 billion by 2034. SpaceX, Starlink, leads with over 9,400 satellites, while Amazon, Project Kuiper, Eutelsat OneWeb, and others race to deploy tens of thousands more. Bridging the digital divide. 2.2 billion people remain offline. Terrestrial infrastructure is too costly for remote areas. LEO satellites offer 50 to 250 megabits per second speeds with 20 to 40 millisecond latency, comparable to fiber. Massive performance leap. Traditional geostationary satellites have 686 millisecond latency, unusable for real-time apps. LEO cuts this by 95%, enabling video calls, gaming, and trading. Resilience and redundancy. Natural disasters and geopolitical conflicts, e.g. Iran 2026 blackout, expose fragility of ground networks. LEO constellations have no single point of failure and have proven vital in Ukraine. 5G, 6G backhaul, and direct-to-device. Satellite backhaul extends cellular coverage economically. The 5G non-terrestrial networks (NTN) market is growing at 35.8% CAGR, with standard smartphones soon connecting directly to satellites. Geopolitical sovereignty. Nations want independent space assets to avoid dependence on US-owned Starlink, driving demand for national constellations. What changes can we expect? By 2028 to 2030, bandwidth commoditization, standard direct-to-device services, multi-orbit networks, LEO plus MEO plus GEO, and seamless terrestrial satellite handover. Beyond 2030, space-based data centers, global autonomous logistics, and real-time Earth observation integration. Challenges: space debris, military dependency, e.g. Starlink outage disrupted US Navy drones, and regulatory ambiguity over space sovereignty. Space Internet is no longer experimental. It is a foundational pillar of global connectivity. The race is driven by necessity, closing the digital divide, ensuring resilient infrastructure, and enabling next-generation cellular and military networks. With launch costs plummeting and technology maturing, the question has shifted from if to how fast space internet will become as ubiquitous as fiber.